Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do the unboxing of the paint by numbers kit from Craft Ease. So if you love painting, then keep watching the video till the end as I tell you more about the product, and let's see what's inside this package. As we can see, it's a big cartoon box inside which we will get all the items needed. There are also instructions mentioned clearly and how to begin with the setup and the coloring. Let's take a look inside the box now. Firstly, we have the canvas over which the illustration is already impressioned so that it's easier for us to fill in the colors according to the numbers which are mentioned here. Next, we have the reference picture along with the numbers. You can also use it to practice beforehand or use it to apply colors correctly. The painting kit also comes with the colors and the painting brushes of different size which will help you to fill in the colors over the canvas. Here we have the thank you card and the painting reference along with the color shades. So this card will help us to fill in the colors, and lastly we also have this hooks if you want to use it for the canvas in order to hang it. So guys, do check out the website for more such painting kits in different options. Also you get the diamond painting kit as well. If you love painting, if you enjoy coloring and it's your hobby or a pastime, or you just want to relax and enjoy playing with colors, enjoy doing your artworks, and just simply as a pastime, you should definitely check out the website. I really liked the concept, and you can use my code Shrabani20 for additional discount. The links are all mentioned in the description below. Also, another interesting factor is that once you open the box, you can fold it and use it as your easel where you can rest the canvas and make it easier for you to fill in the colors. So yeah, I also loved this concept where you are using the box itself. So our first step is to organize the colors according to the numbers. Now I will take out all the colors and place it inside this cartoon stand, and then put the stickers according to the numbers. You will get all the colors which you need to do the painting which you have ordered. Also you can make your own custom painting as well, just like how I have done guys. This illustration which you can see here in the reference picture is the illustration which I have submitted, and this way you can also make your own custom illustration, and later they will send you the full kit with the colors and everything. So here we have the numbering 1 2 3 4. Next to it is the color code which you can see is printed over this small containers. Now I will use this sticker which was sent along with the kit only, and I will use it to put over the color codes. This way we will match the numbering 1 2 3 4 with the color codes and then put the stickers accordingly. Let's begin with the coloring now. I shall start from the center of the canvas, that is from the face and from the lighter color. I'm picking the shade number 22 as which is mentioned in this area. It's an airtight container, and you can directly take the color from the container, or you can use some extra palette to pick the color, and also you can use water to dilute the color. I will recommend you pick the necessary color which you need and use any type of palette, or I'm using like a paper plate here which is disposable, and I'm taking a very little amount of color which I need to fill in this particular section. So guys, in the canvas the numbers are mentioned very clearly, and sometimes the area is very tiny. As you can see the close up, in some of the sections it's a very tiny, very detailed portion, so you can use the thinner brush which comes with the kit to fill in the area. And don't rush, you can totally relax and do the painting, and you can use water along with the color to dilute the color a bit, and use it to spread over the area. So yes, it's a relaxing process where you have to fill in the colors and put the colors according to the numbers, and that is the whole concept of the numbering by kit. I remember doing this type of exercise back in my childhood. I used to get really excited as I kept on adding colors, and how the whole painting took the shape as I got closer to the finishing details. So it was like a really nostalgic trip for me as I was coloring over this canvas. So guys, as you can see, I'm coloring over the portion where the number 22 is mentioned. Now I will move to the next color and I will see which number is mentioned here. The number 10 color, which is slightly darker than the previous color which we did already. Now I'm using this color to put over the number 10 here. So guys, you can see it's a very easy process. You have to read the colors and pick the colors over which the number sticker is there, and just simply use your brush to fill in the color, and slowly as you keep on adding more colors, the whole painting will start taking the life, and you will really feel so proud that you have completed the illustration in just very simple steps. Also, one more thing is that guys, if it's a bigger area to cover, then use the bigger brush for the coloring. If it's a detailing portion, then use the detailing brush. So you have a bunch of options for the brushes as well, and use the brush size accordingly. So if you have any questions regarding this, you can leave them below in the comment section. Also check out the description for all the needed details. You can go and check out the Instagram page as well of the brand Crafties and their website. You will find lots of other painting references there as well. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video where we will do more of the coloring process and reveal the final illustration. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Till then, keep illustrating. Take care. Bye bye.